In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep a project private in Asana. Privacy is essential when you're handling sensitive work, and Asana gives you a simple way to limit access so only the right people can view a project. Start by opening Asana and navigating to Projects. From your list, click the project you want to keep private. If you work in multiple workspaces or teams, double-check you're in the correct one before proceeding. This ensures you're adjusting the privacy for the intended project, not a similarly named one elsewhere. Once the project is open, look to the top right corner and click Share. This opens the Share panel, which controls who can access the project and what they can do inside it. If you don't see the Share button, make sure you have the proper permissions on the project, or ask a project owner to follow these steps. In the Share panel, find the Access Settings area. Change the setting to Private to Members. This tells Asana that only people explicitly added to this project can see it. When a project is set to private, it won't appear in the general workspace or team project list, which helps keep it out of view from anyone who isn't on the project. If you ever need to make it discoverable again, you can switch the access back to your workspace or team later with the same control. Next, review the members listed in the panel. Only the people shown under members will have access. If there's anyone who shouldn't see the project, remove them here. This is your best moment to audit access and keep the list lean. If you work with outside collaborators, remember that guests can only see the project if they are explicitly invited as members. If you don't see the option to remove someone, you may not have the right permissions and should ask a project owner to help. When you're done, close the Share panel. Your project is now private and visible only to the selected members. From this point forward, tasks, conversations, and files inside the project will stay confined to that group, helping you maintain confidentiality and reduce noise for teammates who don't need access. That's it. A quick recap. Open your project, click Share, set access to Private to Members, review the member list, and close the panel. You can adjust or revert access at any time using the same Share control. And that's how to keep your Asana project private, so only the right people can access it. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.